Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best garage storage bins you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best garage storage bins in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Simple Houseware Foldable Cube Storage Bin. If you're hoping to store a bunch of books or stacks of magazines, these flimsy cardboard-lined boxes just aren't up to the task. But if they fit in your cuboid slot and you're ready to store some mittens, shoes, or puzzles, the Simple Houseware Cubes is ideal for a decent performance. There are plenty of seemingly alike collapsible fabric bins out there, but not all of them are as friendly on the wallet as the Simple Houseware Foldable Cubes. These budget-friendly fabric boxes easily fold up when you want to collapse them, and they are attached on the inside to prevent you from losing pieces. Accent fabric around the rim adds a tinge of classiness that other contenders don't offer, and they come in many colors. An essential factor for most fabric cubes is ensuring they fit in the space you have. Our second best garage storage bins is Prandom Large Collapsible Storage Bins. If you're hunting for a moderately sized storage bin to help you organize right out in the open, the Prandom bins are our top choice. Though they have the same fabric over cardboard construction as pretty much every other fabric box out there, these are cleanly constructed of attractive materials that look impressively professional. Made of high-quality linen fabrics, eco-friendly, fabric's durable material, and it doesn't have any odor. The handle is made of stainless steel, never rusts. Designed to match interior decor and style in any room in the home or office. Enjoy the relaxing ambience of the soft gray and natural black neutral color scheme. Sturdy side design makes these bins collapsible, which will take full advantage of your closet shelf, and also can be folded flat to save space when not in use. Extra thick overall linen fabric to provide durability and rigidity for daily use and ensure a greater product lifespan. Lined with a thin beige muslin fabric. It is easy to clean, just wipe with a damp sponge or cloth. Third pick in our list is Iris USA Plastic Storage Bin. Iris USA's large clear plastic buckled and lidded storage tote is a perfect storage organizer that can fit all your items safely with the anti-break, durable polypropylene material made in the USA. The large plastic storage container bin tote has grooves on the lid and body for secure and stable stacking that allows for easy moving and saves space in your house, apartment, or condo, while the see-through design allows you to find any stored items easily from any angle. The storage buckles latch onto the large durable plastic lid to keep contents safely stored inside and protected from dust and liquids when securely buckled. The built-in pull handle on bottom of the large plastic container makes it easy to pull the large plastic box container bin from any high shelves without any clawing or straining to get a grip on the bins. Number 4 in our side is Iris USA 26.5 quart Weather Pro Plastic Storage Box. Iris USA Weather Pro Heavy Duty Plastic Storage Bin Tote Organizing Container with durable lid and seal and secure latching buckles has high quality heavy duty seals in the lids to preserve and protect valuables and important documents. The heavy duty storage bin creates a vacuum-like environment within the storage container tote, blocking out moisture, dust, and insects. The heavy duty multi-buckle box latches strongly and securely onto the durable lid, separating the inside and outside. Perfect for clothes storage, document storage, food storage, hunting gear storage, camping gear storage, tool storage, truck storage and other large items. Heavy-duty plastic storage container bin tote has grooves on the lid and body to create a secure stacking experience. Iris USA heavy-duty lid body construction ensures stability to stack securely for easy moving and save space in your house, apartment, condo, and in your car and truck. It is also BPA-free plastic. Great use for organizing the pantry by storing and protecting rice, flour, canned goods, spices, seasonings, snacks, pasta, pet food, and etc. Iris USA's heavy-duty plastic buckled lidded storage bin tote is a perfect storage organizer that can fit all your items safely with durable, heavy-duty polypropylene material manufactured in the USA. Last in our best garage storage bins list is Sterilite Garage Storage Bins. Sterilite Gasket Box offers a gasketed seal to protect the contents from both air and moisture. Durable tight-fitting latches keep the lid securely attached to the base. The Sterilite Gasket Box with latches is one of the best bins in market. The gasket box is sturdy, with easy-to-use latches that snap into place and a seal to keep contents confidently safe. The 20-quart size we tested proved to be a great option for everything from small craft supplies to heavy magazines. Sterilite also makes several other size options to fit whatever you're trying to store. As with any polypropylene bin, the gasket box becomes brittle in temperatures below freezing and can break easily. The tall, narrow configuration isn't quite as versatile as long, low boxes, which is something to keep in mind. Still, if this brand has the size you need, we think their performance is genuinely silver medal worthy. For details, let's watch more.